Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or install wireless display devices on your Windows 10 machine. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to select the devices tile. And then underneath Bluetooth and other devices, you want to select the plus next to add Bluetooth or other device. And then select where it says the wireless display or dock option. And then again, make sure your device and your Wi-Fi has been turned on and that your device also supports the Miracast settings. If there's any other issues here, you may want to also try updating your Windows Update through settings and then go onto the manufacturer's website and see if there's any driver installs that can be downloaded to your machine and then proceed with this device installer if it hasn't already been installed by that point. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.